From searching for an Englishman to cleaning business success. Are you ready? My unexpected journey. Let me share it with you. Leaving Bulgaria for the UK in December 2000, my main goal was to create a better future for my daughter. All I knew initially, I was focused on finding an Englishman, having a job and marry him. But life had other plans for me. Despite facing many challenges, I really had this determination to learn new things and I welcome London's vibrant culture. Taking a leap of faith, 1 year later, I started, can you imagine, my own cleaning business, surpassing all expectations. Follow me to discover valuable lessons and practical tips that can inspire you to pursue your own entrepreneurial dreams.